I just wonder if any of you out there has got any ideas on this platform. You know, I put this extra platform in. Well, I built that Pico building to go on, but of course it's too wide for a platform. It's not giving any room either side. One other one there, which again, there's hardly any room at all. I just wonder if any of you know of any kits or ready-made ones which would fit on there to give you a reasonable width at either, you know, either side of the building. I mean, the platforms are only 2 3/4 inch wide, so you literally want something no more than probably 1.5 inches wide. I have some of these old canopies, old Hornby canopies. I'm just wondering whether to drill them and just put them on and leave it with that. But I'd like any opinions, please, and if anybody can come up with a different different idea. I mean, these Hornby ones, you see, you think, well, they go on, but again, no, they're literally to fit up against one end, or even to be overhung on the other side. But I haven't found anything that can sit on a platform so that it gives you access on both sides for passengers. Right, we'll see if anybody comes up with any ideas. Just to go on a little bit, I found these 2 canopies that I had left, Hornby canopies from my last layout actually. I've put them on for the time being and they don't look too bad, do they? But as I say, I'm still open to some ideas for some sort of building to put on the platforms, if anybody can come up with one that's narrow enough to fit on there and look right. Another thing I just want to say, some of you know me from the old days, back in the 70s it is, early 70s through to 80s, Huddersfield Parcels Limited, and if you remember there were 3 of us. There were Brian, Bill and myself. Unfortunately Bill's passed away this last week. He had cancer, and he's been not very mobile at all, immobile this last sort of 6 months or more. But I know Bill used to love watching my videos. He used to say, please keep sending them. I'm sat here and not mobile, and I just love watching your videos. But I say my sympathies with his family, and I'd just like to say, well, I'm going to do a video with some 37s running, and if I can say, I don't know it's the right way of saying it, but dedicate it to the memory of Bill, as you all knew him as William McGee, old Huddersfield Parcels. Anyway, when I say we'll run some 37s and turn it into not too bad an event.